Welcome back to How To University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more students to the How To University channel. So once you log into your account, you're going to go ahead and click on the right hand side here where it says account. You're going to hover over the button that says discount. Once you're here, there's going to be a button that says add a discount. You're going to select that. So the discount code here, you can type in how to. The description is going to be offers 10% off entire order. So that's what's going to be the description of that discount code. So here is where it gets a little tricky. So it's going to say when a customer orders anything, when they spend at least a certain amount or orders at least a certain amount, we're going to do order anything. It's going to give them a percentage discount. Right here is on their entire order, all items and categories, specific product. We're going to do the entire order starting now and expires never. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and scroll over to the 10%. Now that matches up with the discount here. So let's go ahead and go over this one more time. So the discount code is how to. The description offers 10% off the entire order. Now this is all going to match up. So when a customer orders anything, we're going to give them a percentage discount of 10% on their entire order starting now, and it never expires. Now if you wanted to change this up, all you have to do is say that when it's used, it goes away, and now number of times, we say we only use once, and then it goes away under that specific email when that customer places that order. But for the sake of the video, we're going to put never, and then we're going to hit save. And you have now created a discount code on Big Cartel. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.